Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to replace the ear speaker on an iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's get started. First, remove the two screws at the bottom of the phone using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, insert a thin metal blade or opening tool into the small gap between the display and the frame. Gently slide the blade around the edges and carefully separate the display from the body. Once the screen is open, remove the screws that cover the display connectors. Then, disconnect all the display flex cables one by one. After that, unscrew the metal plate covering the ear speaker area on top of the display. Now, you'll see the old ear speaker attached with two small wires. Apply a bit of soldering flux on the wire points, and then use a soldering iron to carefully disconnect the old speaker. Next, prepare the new ear speaker. Add a small amount of flux again. And solder the two wire points back in place. Once both connections are secure, use a cotton swab with a little cleaning solution to gently clean the solder area. Now, screw the ear speaker back into position. Reconnect all the display cables and secure the screws again. Finally, place the display back on the frame and tighten the two bottom screws. And that's it. The ear speaker has been successfully replaced.